Hi everyone, my name is Kelly. I am currently a Master Family Service Specialist with the Division of Family Services in Delaware on the foster care program team. So my job is a little bit more behind the scenes type of social work, as in like policy work and different things like that. I'm in the director's office, so I don't really get to have some client interaction. So I decided to do a field placement at a different agency. Um, so at my field placement, I am working for a nonprofit that helps prevent homelessness for families in Delaware. And we do case management services, rabbit rehousing services, diversion services. So it's a good overall program. So what I hope to get out of this course is just learning how to look for the signs of trauma, how to differentiate in diagnoses. If this really PTSD or is there some other thing going on? Do they have, maybe they're coming to me and they've been diagnosed with ADD, but maybe that's not it. Maybe it has something to do with trauma. So I'm really looking forward to learning how to really get into a diagnosis of trauma and learning all the techniques that us as social workers can do to help those who have experienced trauma. I think trauma is relevant to my career for many reasons. With the Division of Family Services, it is Delaware's Child Protective Services, so there is a bunch of trauma that our kids come into care with. So having an extra knowledge of trauma will only help me further my career and excel in it. And I also am hoping to become a trauma counselor with my social work degree. This class is really what I've been looking forward to for starting the social work program. So I really think this is going to benefit me in all areas that I am interested in social work. So 3 ways that I will take care of myself this semester is one, by going to the gym. I go 3 times a week currently. I plan to stick to that. It lets me think about something else other than school and work and field placement for a little bit. So I'm enjoying that. Another thing I plan to do is to read something other than a book that's school related. So I have a few books that I'm currently reading that aren't school related. So I'm going to continue using parts of my weekend to read something other than something for school. And finally, I will plan to spend time with my husband and my friends. And just when I need to take a break, I will take a break and watch TV or a movie and just relax. I wish everybody luck this semester and have a great day.